Hello, lifelong learners. How are you? I'm feeling energetic and positive, and we are back with yet another video about quality management system. So this time we're going to talk about what are the 7 skills you must have to succeed in the quality management system career in the automotive or manufacturing sector. So if you want to make your career in the quality management system, or you already are a part of quality management system, or you are in the QA or QC, or want to become a consultant, trainer, auditor, plant head, quality head, then this video will be helpful for you. So let's get deep into and talk about what are the 7 skills which is required. I am Arun Sharma. I am your host and coach. And please do subscribe to SubMastery, right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Click on the bell icon so that it can help us. It motivates us to make more video like this. So we're going to talk about quality systems, 7 skills, top skills. So if you see that in this presentation, I will talk about what are 7 skills. And this quality management system is very, very important. It's an essential part in any successful organization. Generally, bigger organization has a separate department. Most of the big organization has that. Even smaller organization nowadays have a separate department of QMS. Sometime this can be additional responsibility. So let's get into and see what are the top 7 skills. Skill number 1, understanding of quality management system. Yes, understanding the quality management system, clauses requirements, which is most important. So whatever the clauses related to QMS, like especially ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and other standard of EMS and OHSMS, which is occupational health and safety, are the key foundation, because you should be aware about the clause requirements. Because if you cannot interpret the clause requirement, if you cannot understand the clause requirements, how you are going to implement the clause requirements in your management system. So this is a very, very important skill that you need to have a very good understanding of the clauses, right? And those of who might not be aware, at SubMastery, we also conduct classes for the Internal Auditor program, and we explain clauses in depth. So you can see there is a link in the description or somewhere where you can be a part of our free online session, and you are invited basically to attend that, right? Skill number 2, auditing experience. Yes, auditing experience is an important skill. Of course, that will come with time. So you should know how to write a non-conformity. What are the key components of writing non-conformity? You should be able to write, review the documentation and keep a track of records. Because you need to audit the procedures, you need to audit as per customer specific requirements. You need to audit even sometime as per the legal requirements. So you should have that auditing experience and auditing skills, which is a skill number 2. Now let's move to skill number 3, which is documentation skill. Yes, you also not only able to interpret the clause requirement, but at times you also have to make SOP, standard operating procedure. You might have to make or amend the formats as per the customer requirements. Some customer specific requirements might want you to make some modification in this formats, or might require making of some new procedure or modification of process. So you need to have the documentation skill, and this is something which you need to master, how to make procedures, how to make formats as per the customer requirements or as per the clause requirement. That is something which is very, very important. Now the next skill is skill number 4, is problem solving skills. So what is the problem solving skills like? So you need to be logical in your thinking, and at times, of course, right, as you write the non-conformities and the action plan for that, it has to be logical. You should write action plan in such a way that it should not repeat again. So this is again one more important skill to be a competent in the quality management system. Let's move to next skill, which is risk management. Yes, risk is something was there in the previous standard also, but now it is more emphasized. So when we say risk management, that means that you should be aware about what are the risk management principles and techniques, especially like in the FMEA. You should be aware about that, failure mode effect analysis, and the other methods to do risk analysis as well. So which is also very, very important. Now coming to next skill, which is skill number 6, time management. Yes, because you have to deal with audits, and audit has to be completed on timely basis, and you will make internal audit plan, you will make the timings, okay, and also time management is very essential if you go for supplier audits, or even if there is an external audit or there are internal audit within the organization. So this is also one of the important skill. Now, the last but not least skill is interpersonal and communication. I can't emphasize the importance of this because this will include your written, verbal, and teamwork, self-awareness, your emotional intelligence, because you have to deal with seniors, juniors. Sometimes you have to deal with the vice president, president, head of the department. They might be senior to you, right? So how you can take work from them, right? So this is an important skill. And at times there will be a challenging time. There will be a pressure of customer audits. There will be a pressure of like external audit, certification body audit. So that also you need to deal, and that is very much possible once you have a good communication skill, a good interpersonal skill, because you will deal with top management. You will report to top management. You will deal with the head of the department. You will deal with the key personnel. You will deal with the customer certification body auditors. You will communicate with them. So that is also one of the important skills. So here we talked about what are the seven skills required to be build a successful career in the quality management system. So I hope you like this. So please do share this with your friends, share this in your professional network, because it takes a lot of effort to make videos like this. And if you want to be part of my training, I'm doing this for last, you can say, I have a 19-year experience, right? I helped 100 plus companies in the implementation of QMS and different standards, especially in the recent last 4 to 5 years. I helped 33 companies in the implementation of IATF 16949, and I'm offering a free class for you. You can see there's a link, there's a description. Go to description, see there's a link, and be a part of this online training. Okay, so I hope you like this. Thank you very much, and please do not forget to like and subscribe and click on bell icon if you want more video like this. Thank you very much. Arun Sharma signing off.